Does your or your kid's homework look like this? Teacher C is here to help.
We're gonna go 1, 1 plus 3. Now there's 2 digits on top, but there's only 1 digit on the bottom. We have 11 plus 3. We want to add together each row. So 1 plus 3, we can count. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 3 is going to be 4. You should remember that from when we learned our simple addition. Now 1 plus, there's nothing there. We need to add a 0. 1 plus 0, if we don't add anything at all, it stays the same, doesn't it? So 1 plus 0 is still 1. So 11 plus 3 makes 14. Shall we try something a little more tricky? Alright, we have 13 plus 3. We're gonna go ahead and think about it in columns again. We've got 3 plus 3. Let's do the math. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3, that makes 6. Well, then we've got 1 plus 0 again. That's just 1, right? So 13 plus 3 makes 16. Okay, so now we've done 11 plus 3 and 13 plus 3. What if we do 24 plus 4? So we got 4 plus 4. Can we remember what 4 plus 4 equals? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus 4 makes 8. Well, then now we have 2 plus 0. What do we want to do with 2 plus 0? We don't add anything because it's 0, right? So it just becomes 2. 24 plus 4 makes 28. Shall we get even trickier? 32 plus 9. So this time we have 32 plus 9. We have a 2 plus 9. Now that's gonna be a big number, right? So if we go 9, 10, 11, are we supposed to put an 11 down here? And then 3 plus 0 would be 3. Is 32 plus 9 311? No. Let's think about this a little bit different. So we have 32 plus 9. 9, 10, 11. So we put one of our ones down here, one of our ones up here. What's 3 plus 1? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Is 32 plus 9 41? Yes, that's the right answer. Shall we get even more tricky? This time we're going to go with 67 plus 13. Uh-oh, both of them have 2 digits. Well, we're going to take it one step at a time. Let's start with 7 plus 3. Does anybody remember what 7 plus 3 makes? Let's count it out. So we start with 7, and we go 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. So we put our 0 down here because that's our second number in 10. 10 is 1 and 0. 0 is our second number. And then we put our other one up here, or our 1 up here. So now we have a whole bunch of stuff to remember. We have a 1, we have a 6, and we have another 1. Well, 1 plus 1 makes 2, right? Could we do 6 plus 2 and get the same answer? Yes. Yes, we can. What is 6 plus 2? So we start with 6, and we count. We go 7, 8. 6 plus 2 makes 8. So let's go ahead and put our 8 down here. 67 plus 13 makes 80. Let's go even trickier. One more, and then we'll be done for today. 74 plus 49. This one is the trickiest one we've done so far. So now we've got a 4 and a 9. Can we figure out what 4 plus 9 is? We go 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 4 plus 9 is 13. So we put our 3 down here because 3 is our second number in 13. 13 is 1 and 3. 3 goes down at the bottom and 1 all the way up top. So now we have 7 plus 1 plus 4. Shall we count it? So now we're going to count 7 plus 1 plus 4. So we'll go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Well, what do we do here? Because now we can't fit 12 in one number. There's two numbers. Do we do just like before, where we put our second number down here? Yeah. And then we put our first number in the next column. But there's no other numbers to add it to. So it's 1 plus 0 plus 0. If we do 1 plus 0, it stays 0, right? And if we add another 0, that's still 0, isn't it? So it's just 1. So 74 plus 49 is 123. All right, guys, you did a great job today. Let's pick this up next time. If you want more, like and subscribe and hit that bell button, and I will have plenty to teach you.